Wow, what a beautiful day since I got away from those super kitties. Now I finally got Tora, which is an attack on Pearl Harbor Special Edition on DVD. Now I can go and watch this movie right now. Don't watch. Okay, I know you're here. Seriously, dude, what do you think I am? A super kitty? I thought so. So you must be a ghost on the curtain? Yeah. But anyways, don't watch it. Wait, what? Why shouldn't I watch this movie? Because it has like a scary logo on it called the, let me guess, THX logo? Yeah, but this one is the Broadway logo. Wait, what? And you're saying right there, bark, bark, bark. Woof, woof, woof. Huh? Okay, just calm down. Sorry. But just watch and see for yourself. Fine. I can't control my anger. Anyways, let me look in the back. What? That gotta be a joke. There's no way. Let me look in the front. Wait. THX certified. Just put it in and just watch it. Okay, fine. Just quit yelling at me already. Jeez. Please. Okay. All I see is just planes, fire, the 20th Century Fox logo, the DVD. Can you just put it in already? I'm tired of screaming. Okay, fine. I'll put it in right now. And even though I haven't seen the Tora before, because I thought it looks like Dora. You know, like a Dora the Explorer. What? FBI warning? I just want to see a movie. You're always trying to ruin everything. Even for that. But I think it's about not to get copyrighted. I understand. Okay, hold on. Let me just turn the volume up again. That's weird. Why I can't hear any kind of sound anymore. Oh, whatever. I'm just gonna hit play this movie. "20th Century Fox Home Entertainment." That's really important. Now see how scary this logo is. There's no way I'm getting barked at. Wait, what? Told you. See, I told you it was gonna scare you with that logo.